Hello there! In this video, we'll learn how to sort and upload files from your Creator app to Zoho WorkDrive folders. Imagine you run a small business where employee reimbursements are managed through a Zoho Creator app. When an employee submits their claim, the receipt is automatically renamed using their email ID and uploaded directly to your company's Zoho WorkDrive subfolders based on the expense type. This is achieved with the help of zoho.workdrive.uploadFile integration task. It's used to upload files directly into a specific Zoho WorkDrive folder. Let's see how it's done. First, create an Add Expense form with a drop-down field for 3 expense types: travel, food, and supplies. Next, create a WorkDrive folder, expenses, and 3 subfolders for the expense types. To transfer files from Zoho Creator to Zoho WorkDrive, we need to establish a connection between them. Go to Microservices, choose Connections, and pick Zoho OAuth. Zoho OAuth connector helps you connect Zoho Creator with any other external Zoho applications. Give a connection name and choose the authorization preferences. We'll go for the default choices here. Then specify the scope. The WorkDrive.Files.CreateOAuth scope allows you to upload or create files in Zoho WorkDrive. Click Create and Authorize. Enable connection access to the Expense app. This connection authenticates the Zoho WorkDrive account where the files will be uploaded. Next, configure a workflow to run on successful submission of Add Expense form. Click Add New Action, run the action always, and select Deluge Script. Let's look at the code step by step. First, define variables to fetch the employee email and expense types respectively. Then, use a map variable, folder map, to map the expense type to its WorkDrive subfolder ID. Here, travel, food, and supplies are the names of the subfolders created in the Zoho WorkDrive account. The IDs shown against each of the subfolder names are the folder IDs you can get from the WorkDrive URL. Next, define a variable, target folder, to store the correct subfolder ID based on the chosen expense type. The get function retrieves the specific subfolder from the folder map variable based on the expense type chosen by the employee. We want to rename the file based on the employee email and current date before it's uploaded to the WorkDrive subfolder. The next line of code extracts the prefix of the employee's email. The employee email.index of @ finds the exact character position of @ symbol, and employee email.substring grabs everything between the mentioned index value 0 and @ symbol from the email ID. Say, the employee email is grace.jacob@zilker.com. This function extracts grace.jacob. Next, define a variable, file name, to capture the name in the specific format shown below. Use the encode URL function so that WorkDrive can correctly read the special characters like dot and underscore used in file name. Email prefix captures the first part of the employee's email and then adds an underscore to it. Zoho.currentTime is a date variable that captures the system time at the moment the workflow executes. To string function converts the date variable to the desired format. For example, the file name would be grace.jacob_31st May 2026. Finally, let's use the Zoho WorkDrive integration task to upload the file from the receipt field. Sort it based on the chosen expense type using the Zoho OAuth connection. Zoho.workdrive.uploadFile task uploads the files to the specific subfolders under the expense folder we had created in the Zoho WorkDrive account. Input.receipt is the file uploaded by the employee in the receipt field. Target folder variable gets the exact subfolder where the file needs to be uploaded. File name encodes the URL in the desired format. False is a boolean to add the file as a new one, even if another file exists with the same name. Set to true if you want to replace an existing file with the same name in the same folder. WorkDrive connection is the Zoho OAuth connection name. you can access from the connection details page. Now, let's save the code and see how this works in real time. Let's make 2 reimbursement submissions for travel and food respectively. On accessing the Zoho WorkDrive account, the travel subfolder has a file, and the file name is formatted exactly how we wanted. Similarly, the food subfolder also has new file added with the desired name format. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified when a new video releases.